In the heart of the Himalayas lies a land where tradition meets innovation, where ancient wisdom intertwines with modern education. Welcome to Sikkim, a place where numbers come alive through the ancient art of Vedic mathematics. In association with the Education Department of Sikkim, the Vedic Maths Forum India organized a workshop that promises to unlock the secrets of mental calculations hidden within the Vedas.
हमारा जो भी बच्चा मैथमेटिक्स में थोड़ा घबराते हैं, मैथमेटिक्स को बहुत हार्ड सब्जेक्ट समझ के पहले ही डर जाते हैं, ये डर को दूर करने में ये वैदिक मैथ बहुत हम लोगों को हेल्पफुल रहेगा, ये हमारा अपेक्षा है। हालांकि ये तो हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमें ये पूरा उम्मीद है कि वैदिक मैथ की ट्रेनिंग से, वैदिक मैथ की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन से हमारे बच्चे मैथ में बहुत इम्प्रूव करके जाएंगे और आगे भी हम लोग इसको फर्दर इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए भारत सरकार से हम फिर भी अप्रूवल के लिए जाएंगे।
With this Vedic mathematics program and workshop, where our teachers, 118 teachers are here for these 3 days workshop, many there are misconceptions, a myth about this, the fear of mathematics, how difficult the mathematics subject is. These fears, I'm sure, will be taken care of, and these teachers are going to get oriented for 3 days. And we are also thinking of having a core group from among these 118 teachers who will be doing the hand-holding of all the mathematics teachers in my district, so that it becomes easier for them to teach mathematics and make mathematics learning fun and interesting for our children.
Led by Gaurav Tekriwal, President, Vedic Maths Forum India, participants dive into the world of sutras and techniques that date back thousands of years. In the Vedic Maths Workshop, many topics were covered, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, fractions, decimals, percentages, divisibility, digit sums, squares, cubes, square roots, and even cube roots. By understanding these ancient techniques, we can simplify complex calculations and develop a deeper appreciation for the beauty of mathematics.
I found this training very interesting and very involving, because I was enjoying thoroughly, because my maths was a very weak subject in my childhood days. So what I observed through our resource person was that if I had found these techniques back then I would have scored highest marks. So I found it very interesting and very fascinating, that I want to practice more in maths. So I enjoyed it thoroughly.
About Vedic mathematics, we found it's very interesting way of mathematics. There are some logically difficult calculations in mathematics. With the Vedic mathematics, we can solve it in a very simple way, and it is a very easiest way, so that student can enjoy and student can love to solve the mathematical calculations.
Beyond just numbers, the workshop fosters a sense of community and collaboration as educators come together to explore innovative ways of teaching and learning. It is to be noted that just after 3 days of training, some of their scores jumped and they improved, with Krishna Kumar Raseli having a growth of 450% and Khemlal Neopani having a growth of 110%. Bimla Sharma scored 16% pre-training and scored 80% post-training. She had a net growth rate of over 400% after the training. We collected a feedback score out of 10 from 103 teachers who responded. 10 was supposed to be the highest score and 1 to be the lowest. On an average, we got 8.73 rating out of 10. We would like to thank Sri Milan Subba, State Project Director, Samagra Shiksha Sikkim, Education Department and Government of Sikkim. We would like to thank Srimati Sarinki Shingappa, CEO, Gangtok District Education Department, Government of Sikkim. We would like to thank Sri Rakpe Bhutia, Joint Director, Samagra Shiksha Education Department, Government of Sikkim, and the entire team in Sikkim for the amazing cooperation extended in fulfilling our duties towards the Vedic Maths Workshop. We would like to also thank the efforts taken by Sri Chulthip Norbu Bhutia, Assistant Director from the Office of the CEO, Gangtok Education Department, Government of Sikkim, and Srimati Neelam Sharma and Srimati Nancy Pradhan from the District Office need to be thanked as well for their continuous support, supervision, and enthusiasm during the workshop. We also wish to thank over 118 teachers who gave in their best to us during the training period and showed us a lot of promise and hope. This project would not have been possible without the support of the Vedic Maths Forum India team from Kolkata, especially Mrs. Anushri Tekriwal, Director, Vedic Maths Forum India. The Vedic Maths Workshop was very successful and received amazing feedback and coverage in the press in the week which followed.